guys, what's up? Mindy here from Mindy's Boutique, and I just gotta tell y'all something. Y'all blew that last purple video up, okay? So I'm gonna show you very detailed how I'm going to braid this, because everybody was ready. I made the shirt that kind of showed your rolls. It was a little too tight, a little bigger. Now, we can make shirts smaller this way too if you just keep braiding. Let me show you how. It's so simple, you really have no idea. So you can start with the very top one or the second one. For this, I'm gonna start with the second one. It makes it easier for you, okay? You're literally going to lift this one up and you're gonna take the one under it and go over it, okay? And then you're gonna grab through that one, the next one down. And then you kind of push those over. See how it's braiding it like? Then I put my fingers in there and I grab the next one down. And then I kind of push it over. Put my fingers in there and I grab the next one down, push it over. Grab that one. It's so simple, and this is the braiding technique. So go into that one and stick it through. Go into that one, stick it through. I will show you what this looks like at the end too. Oh, and girls, and well, really boys, y'all know who was acting crazy on there. If you don't like this makeup, that's okay. It's my makeup and I love it, so it's okay. And then you guys, look at this. And if this is not your style and it's from 1980, I don't care, because I love it and it's my style. And it was about 1 million of you guys too. So high five, y'all my girls. And then look, we just keep doing it. And then at the very end, I pull that bottom one through, right? Now, you can stop right here, cut those and tie those into a bow. That's how you're gonna finish it. That's it. Cut them and tie them into a bow, right? Or you go backwards, okay? Pull that through like this, and then you're gonna pull the other ones back through, all right? And then you're gonna pull that one over, back through. This one back through. And you're just gonna start lacing it up again. Now, the more you lace it, the tighter it's gonna get, right? Because you're braiding the sides, right? So then, back through. Back through. Back through. Oh, I think I messed that up. Hold on, let me look. Okay, there. Back through. Back through. Back through. And then you can cut and tie those, and then it's more braided. I'm gonna do just the original braid that I showed y'all a while ago. Like so. And see how that's done at the bottom right there? Let me go back and fix that for you guys. And then I'm gonna cut these guys, because I like it just like this, that simple single braid. And you can push them all the way over. You can even make your cuts a little longer if you wanted to. Wait till you see how the braided look comes out, because it is absolutely so adorable. So I'm gonna pull this and I'm gonna see which ones I need to cut and which ones I need to tie. So I'm actually going to cut both of these and I'm gonna tie a bow in the bottom. Gonna cut those just like so. I'm actually gonna pull them a little bit more, and then you can tie multiple bows or one big bow or one big knot at the bottom. Let me just show y'all. This is so cute, and I'm gonna put it on for y'all and show you what she looks like. And then just pull that out, just stretch it a little bit more. Stretch, stretch. The more you stretch it, the better it's gonna look. Now let me show you this bad boy braided on. How cute is that? And again, if you don't like people seeing people's bellies, don't look at people's bellies. It's that easy, ain't it? So this is it. And this is the back, you guys. How cute is that? And then you just stretch it out to your liking. Easy peasy. And the more you braid it in the back, the smaller you can make the shirt. So if you're trying to make a big shirt look smaller, that's the perfect way. It's cute, girls.